Hey guys, it's Kaitlyn. Welcome back. Today we are making a delicious carrot mug cake. For this recipe, you could use a mug or you could use a ramekin. I like to use a ramekin because it gives you your own little personal cake and it's a lot easier to eat out of. Alright, so we're gonna get started. First thing you're gonna need is a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. For best results, I would recommend using a scale and measuring it out. If you don't have a scale, you can just spoon the flour into a measuring cup. So we have a 1/4 cup and we're gonna put it in. Next, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. We're also gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we're gonna add a little pinch of salt. I like to use kosher salt. And now for the spices. We're gonna add 2 dashes of cinnamon. This is definitely the most important one. If you don't have any of the others, just make sure you have some cinnamon. We're also gonna add 2 dashes of allspice. That's a lot. They like to stick to my little glass bowls. Next, we also need 2 dashes of cardamom, 1 dash of ginger. This last dry ingredient is optional. We're gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of walnuts or pecans. Make sure they're chopped. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients until well combined. Now onto our wet ingredients. I'm using a 1/4 cup of milk. You can use whatever kind you like. I'm using almond milk. We're also gonna add a 1/2 of an egg. The easiest way to do this is crack an egg into the bowl, whisk it, and then separate it into halves. We're also gonna add a tablespoon of oil and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Last but definitely not least, we're gonna add 1 carrot. It should be medium, so around this size. And we're gonna shred it and add it in. Like my prop. And now we're gonna mix all the ingredients until well combined. Now that the ingredients are fully combined, we're gonna put it in the microwave for around 90 to 100 seconds, depending on the power of your microwave. Now, for those of you who wanna go the extra mile and make a little cream cheese frosting, I'm gonna show you a really quick and easy way to do it. So we have 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. As you guys know, I'm dairy-free, so I'm using a vegan cream cheese. This is my favorite brand, Violife. You can, of course, use regular cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're just gonna mix those 2 together. If you have powdered sugar, you could also use powdered sugar instead of honey, but I don't have any right now, so I'm gonna be using honey. And now we're just going to mix that until well combined.
You're killing it! Like, I can't even
All right.
I think I need to...
Whoa. Is that recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I hope you enjoyed this easy and delicious recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below if you want to see more easy recipes like this. Watch more videos here and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I love you and I will see you next time.